Hey guys, make sure you stay tuned and we're going to talk about common mistake people make that can cost you thousands of dollars in repairs, parts, tools that you may not actually need. Stay with us, we'll explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Super quick helpful video for any of you trying to find fuses, relays for the cruise control on Chevy Equinox. This generation right here from year 2010 to year 2017. Stay with us, we'll explain where you can find them. We will also talk about hidden fuse boxes, guys, information that can potentially save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. By the way guys, if you need to buy any replacement parts, tools, fuses, relays, we will guys share that information in the description of the video below. Check it out and you can guys see where we get most of our tools and supplies from as well. So let's start on it now. Before we start guys, let us tell you quick a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We show you how to fix almost anything guys. Engines, transmissions, bodywork, fuses, relays. Why we do all that? Because our mission in the garage is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. By the way guys, check out our YouTube channels. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. So let's go ahead guys and start on it now. Cruise control, fuses and relays guys, come and we'll show you where you can expect to find them. We will demonstrate on this generation Chevy Equinox here. Now, quick advice from us guys, 9 out of 10 owners do not know about all the hidden fuse boxes in that Chevy Equinox. That's why we made one special video on our YouTube channel that's called Chevy Equinox Fuse Box Location and Diagram, video that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Go ahead and open the hood, facing the engine now here on the right side. That's the driver's side. You have the brake fluid reservoir here, and that's the main engine fuse box. You have a clip here, a clip there, you squish them together, lift the cover up, and you're going to find a fuse box with a layout like this one here. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. It is guys very important to test fuses and relays. On those fuses you cannot clearly see if they're burnt or not, especially you can see in the JK's fuses as well. And if you guys assume, okay, let's say you remove a fuse, you look at it and you assume guys that it's actually a good fuse, but it's actually a bad fuse. Sometimes you cannot clearly see that. What can easily happen guys at that point, you can put the bad fuse in and you start replacing parts and tools that you don't need to, so you lose your time, you lose your money to fix a problem that doesn't exist, when all we had to do is test the fuse and replace it. We'll put a link to a special video that will teach you how to test fuses, how to check relays very easily as well guys. So check it out, it will be in the description of the video below. Guys, here what we need to check now, we will need to check 4 fuses, and then we need to explain what else you need to check if the cruise control still doesn't work. In this fuse box specifically, depending on the year and model, you may have all of them or some of them, but you may have fuse number 3. If you have it, check it right here. Fuse number 13 and fuse number 16 right here. Then we need to open the front right door guys. And you need to come to the footwell compartment on the passenger side. Here on the side of the center console you have one cover that you pry open, and underneath you're going to find that fuse box layout here. Specifically here you need to check fuse number 1 right there. Now another thing guys, okay, that number 1 is actually for the steering wheel and the steering angle sensor, but that's actually guys known as a cork spring. That's what transports the signal from the steering wheel to the steering column. You can see it allows it to turn. So that's why we're checking that fuse too guys. Another thing, okay, we have a special video that explains why cruise control does not work. If you need help with it on the channel, you can find that video guys, and it will teach you what you need to check and how to test your cruise control as well. Guys, now one very quick advice from us. If you open guys the interior fuse box, we want to show you, you have 2 kinds of different fuses and relays here, but in the engine fuse box you have all kinds of different fuses, relays, JK's fuses, mini fuses, relays. Now guys, always keep some spare ones. If you're in the middle of nowhere, let's say you need a fuse for a fuel pump, you don't have a replacement one, you're stuck, always get some spare ones, put them in the glove box for a peace of mind. We will share guys the information in the description of the video below where you can get replacement fuses, relays, parts, tools as well guys. So thank you for watching, hopefully the video was helpful, and see you guys next time.